In this AI Tutor review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that you can unlock $658 daily with a Udemy-like site creator. I'm going to be showing you what this is and of course what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at AI Tutor, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says our groundbreaking AI app, build Udemy-like sites and populate them with AI crafted courses. So it looks like they removed that income claim there, which was on there originally. However, it says, watch how we built an entire e-learning business from scratch in less than 2 minutes and profited $26,000 a month from it. So I want to say right off though, as far as like making like $24,000 a month from it, like that's not going to happen. This is simply a software that's going to allow you to build a platform that's like a Udemy-like platform. It's not going to be some instant money-making thing for you. Just be aware of that. Also, these testimonials do not look real at all. Just so you know about that. Like, I would be very surprised if these are real testimonials. Like startup founder Daniel White, find me that person and I will be very, very surprised. Step 1, log into the dashboard, select your niche or keyword, and then you deploy your Udemy-like site. And then they say profit. Of course, profiting is going to depend upon so many different things. You need to get traffic to your site. Just be aware it's not going to be like you automatically just start making money with this. Nothing is like that in this world. You can create any course yourself or research anything it says, design a website, pay for traffic, all these extra things in here. Using the software, you can sell courses with this, and they create sites just like Skillshare, lynda.com, or Masterclass. If we scroll down here, we're not going to look at all this together because that would just be a waste of time. But you can, with the software, you have the AI Tutor app, the AI Tutor generator, the website creator. It says a traffic generator, so I'm not sure how that's necessarily going to work here, but it says it's going to do that for you using the power of the software. So if you decide to purchase, it looks like there's an add-on here for $11.95. It adds in some premium features. But what I do recommend that you do is, if you are considering purchasing, make sure you move your mouse away. A discount code will pop up here. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that. So please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back and show you the members area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
In a world where education evolves at lightning speed, meet AI Tutor, your gateway to the future of e-learning. First, let's talk about the booming e-learning industry. It's on track to hit a
you can set up all your different sites right inside of here. There are multiple upgrades. First one is the unlimited version. So this is going to allow you to have unlimited AI tools, unlimited content generation, all these different things unlimited. However, you will want to move your mouse away. You can get a $60 off discount. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one is a done for you version of this. Move your mouse away and get an $80 off discount. Then they've got another one here that is, looks like an automated version of it. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. Then they've got another one here, which is, looks like, is it like a buyer's traffic? So they say they'll send you traffic, move your mouse away and get a $50 discount. Then you can get a resell license, move your mouse away and get an $80 discount. Then you can resell it, move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. Then they've got some kind of an income multiplier. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. And the last one's a white label. Get $200 off by moving your mouse away. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about AI Tutor and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, just the fact that they come off like right off the bat with the income claims. They also had income claims on the sales page saying that they were making like $24,000 a month with it. I would really need to see like big proof to ever believe something like that. So just remember, if you're buying this, don't buy it because you think it's going to magically make you money. Buy it because you want a tool that does what the actual software does. What do I like about it? If you are looking for a Udemy site-like creator that integrates with AI, this could be right for you. If that's you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AI Tutor review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.